So I've been here on YouTube for 12 years now. Whenever I logged into my YouTube studio, I saw that, congrats, you've been here 12 years. It's absolutely mind-blowing. And in that time, I probably created around 3,000 videos here on YouTube and other platforms. And at this point, I give up. I am really tired of going through all these different things, trying out so many things, and unfortunately not having the success that I had dreamed of. And when it comes to success, it's real simple. Make money. Making money off of this entire journey, it's what's going to allow you to continue this journey. And my whole dream with this was always to be able to make enough money off of this so then I could build a life around this, building a life around my creative endeavors and lifestyle. But unfortunately, it hasn't turned out that way. And I think for a lot of people who do this, they can definitely relate, and if you're somebody who's just doing this as a hobby and not really thinking about doing anything else outside of it, then you're probably in a better spot, because if you're looking into this and trying to do this with that end goal, it's going to be really frustrating and really tough whenever you see that you're not getting there, or worse yet, years and years later, more than 10 years later, you're probably worse off in terms of results versus what you did years prior. And that's a hard truth that I've actually had to face. But I do want to say that this entire journey has been the best thing that's ever happened to me. Because if I did not decide to create a video, show my face, I would not be where I am today. I would not learn what I have today. I wouldn't have grown in the way I have. And I wouldn't be able to connect with people around the world. And hopefully these things that I create has helped people in some way around the world, because that's how it got me started. I found some creators here in YouTube and other places. I learned from them. And even though I've never met any of these people, they helped me to change my life in a very positive way. But on the flip side, all that time, I think about it now. You think about these things a lot. I could have probably spent in doing something else, and I probably could have been further. And so there's always that mental challenge that I have with myself, or just internal battle. It's like, was it worth it? Was it not worth it? What else could have done? And at the end of the day, time is the one thing that all of us have. Plus, time is the one thing that you cannot recreate. Once it's gone, no matter how much money you have or how little you have. And that's the part where I do feel a lot of regret, because I could have done a lot of things in that time, because I did focus, and I still focus a lot of my energy, attention, passion, everything into this, into this whole creator lifestyle. And in terms of where it's going, I don't know, but I will say I kind of have to give up on that dream of having this be a success. But I don't want to give up on the things that I started off with that I still love today, which is creating and helping people with what I create. Those are the two things that have always been part of my goals with this. And it's always going to be there in some way or another, because I really do love doing this. But at the same time, I kind of figure out another way to pursue this, And if at some point there's just no more passion, no more motivation, no more anything with this, then I have to give up everything. And at this point, I don't know if I'm ready to give up everything, but I am ready to give up this dream of making this a success. So, yeah, those are my hard truths on that. If you are still watching this video, thank you. And if you've been here for a long time, thank you so much. I can't tell you how grateful I am for being here and for all the ideas and everything else. And once again, I don't know where things are going, but I am going to change how I look at things. So if I create things that I enjoy and it doesn't go anywhere, then I'm just going to do that. And maybe I just might not want to create it all for a while, or maybe completely. I don't know. But that's what I wanted to share with you today after 12 years here on YouTube being a creator. Thank you so much, and we'll see you on another video.